Guys, this is Jonathan with the Balloon Guild. I wanted to show you how we organize stuff in my balloon decor business, Party People Events. I want to show you how we organize and a little bit about our process of what we do when jobs come in. So a job comes into the office team and they put our job on the Google Calendar for me, which we have a video for you to see for that already. So if you haven't seen it, go look at that video and that'll tell you everything you need to know about the Google Calendar. Then what happens is I take that job and I create a packing list for it. There's a video for packing list also to show you how to use these. We have these for you on our website, and you can watch that video too. And in that video I mentioned to you about folders that we use with numbers. So I have that folder, and then we have our bins that have matching numbers. So that would be bin number 9. The folder that I had is folder number 9. And that's what we would do is put the packing list in the folder. We grab the bin, and then we take the bin over here where we look at our balloons. And I have our balloons organized. I like to go like white and then kind of Roy G. Biv all the way around. We have some extra balloons on top, overflow balloons, but you'll take the job box with the packing list and you start filling the job with the packing list. So then what you're going to do is, if the job is complete, you're going to take the job box and the bin. I'm just going to grab the box on top. I know the numbers don't match, but you're going to take the job box and the bin and you're going to put them right over here where we have all of our other job boxes and bins. So if I see this, the folder is on top of the job box, that tells me that everything I need for that job is inside that bin. If we don't have everything we need, what we do then, we'll put the box over there, but instead of putting the folder with the box, we take this folder and we put it right on my desk. And then I will open it and look and see what do we need to order for the job. And then after that, it goes into this little file situation here, right? So this tells me that I've ordered the balloons and it's just waiting for them to come in. So when we get in a balloon shipment, my crew will take all of these folders and then they go and they grab the job boxes from the holding place, and they will take the orders that have come in and they'll take the balloons out of the box from the order and they will fill these job boxes with their missing items. And then once they're done with that, if everything is checked off on these on the packing list, then these folders do go back on top of the bin with the job, which means that that job is ready to be created and we have everything that we need for it. So then the next thing that's going to happen is the time will come for our team to do job number 9, to build it. They will grab the job box, they'll open the folder, they'll build it at our workstations, and then that's when we will pull the hardware and stuff like that. If you've watched the packing list video, you will know that we don't pull hardware up front, we pull it as the job gets closer. And then that is it. That's our process to get everything out the door. When you go to get stuff out the door and you put it in the van on our packing list, we will start lining items out one by one. And once everything on this packing list is completely lined out, then I know that the van or the vehicle is ready to go and we don't have to worry about anything else. So that's our process. Hopefully this will help you guys out, see a little bit about what we do or how we do it. And hopefully there's something you can use from this. So just let me know what you guys take away from this. If there's anything, I'm open to suggestions. Or if there's anything that you feel like is going to be a really big help to you. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
Join the Balloon Guild community for access to a growing library of balloon decor recipes, exclusive templates, webinars, and direct support from experts. Benefit from special discounts, members-only events, skill development opportunities, and a say in future content to elevate your business and expertise in the balloon decor industry. To join, visit theballoonguild.com now.